In February of 2021, Crypto.com announced that the Crypto.org coin, or CRO, the utility coin of the Crypto.org chain, or the CVM, has been rebranded to Cronos. In today's video, I'm going to be educating you all about the CRO token, Cronos itself, what it is, and why it's a top 50 crypto at the time of this recording. And a big shout out to Crypto.com for sponsoring today's video. And full disclosure, I am an ambassador with Crypto.com and have been for the last couple of years, and it's been amazing to see the growth of this entire company as well as its community. So if you're ready to learn all about CRO, all I need you to do is smash the like button for the algorithm and follow for more because it's free, so why not? Thanks for your support, and let's get started. Alright, so if you go to CoinMarketCap, you will see right here that Crypto.com coin has rebranded to Cronos, and you can simply read more here. Now, according to this article, you can see that the Crypto.com announced back in February of 2021 that the CRO token is now Cronos, as the Cronos EVM chain has rebranded itself, and the new name properly reflects the decentralized nature of CRO and recognizes the explosive growth of the entire ecosystem. In fact, the Cronos ecosystem represents the next major phase in adoption and utilization for Web3 by hundreds of millions of users. Now, since 2021 in November, Cronos is an EVM-compatible chain designed to support the creator economy with applications such as DeFi and GameFi, ultimately serving as a foundational infrastructure for the metaverse as well. Cronos delivers dramatically faster and cheaper transactions than Ethereum's mainnet, making decentralized applications, or dApps, and smart contracts more user and environmentally friendly. Now, it's built with Ethermint, which is based on the Cosmos SDK. Cronos supports the rapid porting of dApps and smart contracts from Ethereum and other EVM-compatible chains, as well as interoperability with the Cosmos ecosystem via IBC. Now, in the 3 months since go live, Cronos has seen some explosive growth, with user adoption surpassing expectations. In fact, with more than 350,000 unique wallet addresses performing transactions on Cronos, you can see here that this has absolutely exploded since the beginning of its growth back in November of 2021. And since the beginning, there's over 120 different dApps that have chosen Cronos as their home. And at the time of this recording, there are many others now compared to the 120 just a few years ago. The ecosystem also reached 15 million users and $2.5 billion respectively, and over 3,500 CRC20 tokens have been minted since November of 2021 as well. Now, if you want to support more of the development, users can apply for funding, and I believe Crypto.com is so much more than Cronos. It's so much more than just being an exchange and a place for you to trade different cryptos as well as an app. It's a super system and a super place, I believe, for crypto enthusiasts. Now, what got me started on my journey here with Crypto.com is their Visa debit cards. In fact, I've been having, and I'm pulling it out of my wallet right here, the Jade Green card. I've had this card now for over 2.5 years. I love using it with the app. The reason why I love using it with the app is because I can take this exact card, go to the grocery store, buy groceries, I can buy anything off Amazon. I can use it basically wherever I want to, and I thought that was an awesome way to get some exposure as well as just do something that I was already doing. Now, the application itself also is super easy to use, and if you click the links down below, I have a referral link for you where you can sign up and get some free CRO tokens today, up to around $100, I believe, with their new campaign. So all you have to do, click the link down below, download the app, and sign up using my referral code, and you'll get started and you'll get some free CRO tokens as well. But now let's talk even more about what CRO is, so you have a more full understanding. Now, Cronos is the native cryptocurrency token of the Cronos chain, which is a decentralized open source blockchain that was developed by Crypto.com payment, trading, and financial services company. Now, this reminds me a lot of BNB, and I believe that Crypto.com is looking at BNB as a North Star and something to shoot for, as well as a way for them to continuously move innovation forward, get new users, as well as have people use their native token. Now, Cronos Chain is one of the products of Crypto.com's lineup, and as I mentioned, it's not the only one. The CRO blockchain serves primarily as a vehicle that powers the Crypto.com Pay mobile payments app, and in the future, Crypto.com plans to expand the reach of the CRO platform to power other products as well. Now, with the token going live all the way back in 2018, it's certainly made some adjustments in the last few years. Now, who are the founders, though, of Cronos and Crypto.com? Crypto.com. You see, Cronos was launched by the Crypto.com company with the vision of putting cryptocurrency in everyone's wallet. Now, Crypto.com itself was founded all the way back in June 2016 by Marco Technologies, by Chris Marzelek, Raphael Melio, as well as Gary Orr and Bobby Bao. Now, Chris is an alumni of the Polish Adam University and has been founded and had 3 companies prior to starting Crypto.com. Raphael earned his bachelor's degree in engineering from PUC Rio, and over 15 years of his long finance career has helped some major companies in Asia secure over 50 million in AUD in funding for the Nsengo social commerce website. Now, Gary Orr is a software engineer and a full stack engineer experienced with founding Crypto.com. And before helping the launch of Crypto.com, Bobby Bao worked at M&A department of Chinese Renaissance Investment Bank. So what makes the CRO blockchain unique is that it mainly focuses on providing utility to the users of the Crypto.com's payment, trading, and financial services solutions. CRO owners can stake their coins in the Crypto.com chain as an act as a validator to earn fees and processing transactions on the network. Additionally, CRO coins can be used to settle transaction fees on the Cronos chain. Within the framework of Crypto.com's payment apps, users can get cash back as up to 20% by using the payment merchants, as well as 10% by purchasing gift cards and making other peer-to-peer transfers to other users. Now, when it comes down to trading and use cases, the Crypto.com app also allows users to earn tokens for rewards by selecting and staking the CRO token. Additionally, it can earn annual interest at 10 to 12% in the Crypto.com by staking in either Crypto.com exchange or by the Crypto.com's Metal Visa debit card, as I've just shared with you. Now, currently at the time of this recording, it's got a leg up on its competition, that is the Cronos chain itself, because there's over 781 million at the time of this recording, which is one of the largest EVM compatible chains with total value locked. And it's first blockchain that enables interoperability between Ethereum as well as the Cosmos ecosystems, 2 of the biggest in the game today. Now, how many Cronos coins are there in circulation? Well, right now, at the time of this recording, following 70 billion CRO burn in 2021, which is about 70%, there's only 30 billion coins in circulation today. 30%, which is the secondary distribution of launch incentives, 20% is capital reserve, 20% for network long-term incentives, 20% for ecosystem grants, and 10% for community development. So how is Crypto.com network secured? Well, CRO is built atop upon Ethereum's blockchain according to the ERC20 compatible standard, which means that its network is secured by the ETH-AS function. Now, you can buy the Crypto.com token on Bittrex, OKX, Wobi Global, and a lot of different exchanges. In fact, going to simply Crypto.com and using the app can get you some CRO tokens today. And the Cronos chain is also Ethereum compatible. So if you're very familiar with Ethereum, you'll be very familiar with the Crypto.com blockchain. This is comparable also to the Binance Smart Chain and the Binance Chain, which are also EVM compatible. Cronos' chain mainnet beta went live, as I mentioned, back in November of 2021, and is built upon that Cosmos SDK. Now, despite its recent launch, the growth total value lock has continued to go up, which is a sign that people are buying this crypto and are staking it for the long run, as they do have conviction. In fact, the Cronos price also went up 350% since its launch and reached an all-time high of over 96 cents, according to many different exchanges. So now you know even more about Cronos and what it really kind of is at its roots. But we're just getting started here with Crypto.com, and that's why we're going to have even more updates for you and ways for you to earn and win big with this entire ecosystem. You see, they have their app, the debit cards, the rewards, as well as the NFTs, their pay, and crypto earn. If you click on the rewards here, the loyalty program for US citizens is also rocking right now. And if you scroll down, this is where you can get up to 10% passive on stable coins, up to 0.5% rebate on trade, 8% back when using the debit card, and up to $200 in bonuses for every referral. So click those links down below, hit that referral link, you'll see my name underneath to get you started with the app so you can earn some free money here in crypto in the CRO token. Then from there, simply complete a variety of different milestones and you'll be well on your way to earning with the Crypto.com app. Now again, we've made a full dedicated review when this launched just about a month ago, and there's been some really awesome things happening. Congratulations if you've been taking action, because Crypto.com has been paying out now for those who have been their most loyal users. So this is why I want to continue to keep sharing Crypto.com here with you today, educating you all about this platform, because there's so many new opportunities. There's a variety of different products. The ecosystem is growing. The exchange is absolutely fantastic. And there's going to be so much more about this as you continue to keep learning, studying here with me in crypto. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next videos. Stay tuned.